Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, we're going to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Using your nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips. Goddess babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Now, prep for your press-on nails with nail tips, magnetic nail holder, and reusable adhesive putty.
It's about midnight. You come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive could end in burning flames or paradise. Fake interview. Oh, it's been a while since I have even heard from you. Heard from you. And I should just tell you to leave, 'cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch us go round and round each time. You got that James Dean daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and then we go crashing down. We come back every time.
Now, shape and buff the fake nails while removing the shine.
You got that James Dean daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good brown fade and a tight little skirt. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style. Take me up, just take me up. Yeah, just take me up. Oh, you got that daydream look in your eye.
Hey Goddess babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
We come back every time. We never go.
Now grab an alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
Daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style. We never go.
Apply a thin layer of gel polish.
Slick back, white t-shirt, and I got that good brown fade and a tight little skirt. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style.
Cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using a UV nail lamp. Cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using a UV nail lamp.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters.
The gel top coat that I'm going to be using today is from iGel Beauty, which is one of my favorite nail brands.
Falling angel
Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat.
that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your
Cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using a UV nail lamp.
You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Hey Goddess babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, baby. Who
Now, apply a thin layer of nail rhinestone glue for nails.
Winds down into the memories. It's all just memories.
The natural prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks.
Fill you up and I take you down. Don't you love when I come around? Build you up and I take.
Simple, easy, and affordable nails.
Would've thought I'd